Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. And here I am. I think I'm going to go ahead and do it and throw my hat into the ringer for the Mad Gasser build-off. Now I know I'm really late in getting into this. Today is November 12th. But I was behind on other stuff, needed to get it done. But I still want to in it. I like Gassers. They all look cool. And while there's certainly a lot cooler looking ones out there, I had a specific reason for picking this one. What is that reason, you say? Well, because the box. This box is crap. It's falling apart. It's getting squished. I can't stack it anymore unless it's on the very top. And it's only a matter of time before I start losing parts. So here it is. It looks like I still have everything, that the parts haven't fallen out yet, except for the decals. I don't see the decals. Oh, there they are. Are these still any good? It's awful yellow. We'll see. I don't really like the Angelinas, but I like Mondello's. Mondello did some great high performance parts for Oldsmobile, and of course the wonderful VO twister. But anyways, this box has had it, and rather than make this some kind of bagged kit or something goofy like that, might as well try to build it and get it into this Gasser's group build. Why not? That's why we buy them for anyways, right? To build them. No ideas for colors or plans, so I might have to tap into the magical masked model to see if she's got any ideas for it. We'll find out how. Alright. Catch you guys later, and we'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers.